Good morning, guys. This is Miss Pinky again, coming to you live from New Jersey, and I'm doing this audio. The question is, do you need a fan page to build a business? Well, the answer is yes if you are branding yourself. See, guys, it's very important that you brand yourself because that makes you unique and different from all other business owners or network marketers who are on the same business or with the same niche. Okay, so if you are branding yourself and you are a business person, I strongly recommend that you build a fan page. Okay, that's very crucial to your business and to your brand. So, how do you brand yourself? You can use your name. Me personally, with my fan page, I have almost 8,000 fans there, and I am branding myself, and I branded myself as my name, Miss Pinky Maniri fan page, and I am a business person, and I share posts and I talk to people there, and it's a community, and yes, absolutely, you can post your products, your business, but hey guys, my other thing too is don't overpost because you will be. You'll be like a desperate person, and you don't want to do that. Okay, so bring value to your fan page by you know if you have post like the benefits of your products, if you have some new launches, those kind of things. Just focus on helping people and bringing value to the marketplace. And believe me, guys, it will really help you brand yourself, and it will skyrocket your business. So, yes, if you need help on how to set up your fan page, I have an ongoing Facebook marketing strategy training. It's free, and you can always connect with me and get some training. Okay, and there's a link below this video. This is also a free video that you can learn on Facebook marketing. It is all about really, guys, attraction marketing and bringing value to the marketplace. Okay, so there's the answer. Yes, absolutely. If you are branding yourself, which you really have to brand yourself as a business person, go ahead and build a fan page. You take care, have a great day, and coming from New Jersey, I'm wishing you success. Bye bye.